Ever wondered how ChatGPT actually works? It's not magic, it's just really smart pattern recognition. Let's break it down in 6 minutes. A large language model, or LME, is an eye trained on billions of words from the internet. It learned patterns in language, like how words connect and what usually comes next. Think of it like learning to predict the next word in a sentence, millions of times over. That's essentially what ChatGPT and other iChatbots do. During training, LLMs see text and practice predicting the next word. Get it right, improve. Get it wrong, adjust. After billions of predictions, they become incredibly good at understanding context and generating human-like responses. After billions of... It's like learning a language by reading millions of books. Large refers to two things: the massive amount of training data and the sheer number of mathematical parameters, sometimes hundreds of billions. More parameters mean more complexity and better understanding. It's why newer LLMs are more intelligent than older ones. LLMs power ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, writing assistants, and customer service bots. They write emails, code essays, and answer questions. They're not conscious or truly understanding, they're predicting patterns. But that's powerful enough to transform how we work and learn. Drop a like if this made sense, subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply, and comment, what AI topic should we explain next?